the last video of 2024. If you clicked on this video, most likely you were like me and you love New Year's resolutions. Since so much of freelancing depends on you, you have to invent the things that you're looking forward to. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I plan for the next year ahead, what kind of goals I set, how to make a vision board. Most of the artists I've met, organizing and like planning and having to keep a schedule is not our favorite thing ever. We mostly want to just make things. I find that this system I've been using for the past couple of years has been really useful for me, and I hope it's of some use for you too. The first thing I like to do is to start with the fun part, and that for me is making a vision board. It's very visual, it lets you daydream a little bit, and it helps you think about what are the things that you would like to achieve, have, experience in the new year, and that would help you later on with figuring out what your goals should be.
Having something similar to refer to throughout the year is really useful when you feel lost and you don't know which goals you want to pursue or what you should be doing. I know very well it could be very overwhelming to keep track of your goals and know each month what you should focus on, but having this as the wallpaper of your desktop or just somewhere where you see it often, you could even print it and put it on your wall. Most years when I've done vision boards, most of these things have happened just because I've gotten reminded of them throughout the year and I booked the trip that I wanted to. Depending on what your vision board is, it's really nice to see your goals all the time and get reminded of what you're striving towards.
After making your vision board and having a clearer picture of what your year might look like and your most ambitious goals, the next thing to do is to write down your motivations, why you want to achieve those goals, break them down into tiny steps in the sense of how can I improve on this big goal every single month without feeling overwhelmed. To not feel super overwhelmed, what I really like to do is to keep my goals simple. They can still be big, but have only one for each area of my life. For example, my main goal is to learn and grow. I've signed up for courses. I want to go to the Bologna Children's Book Fair since I'm a children's book illustrator, but this goal could be anything. My main thing is to just focus on one at a time. If you end up finishing your goal earlier than you expected, then throughout the year you can create a new one for yourself. And this is where your vision board will be a really nice guideline, since you've mapped out and put pictures of all of the things you want to achieve. So once you achieve the main goal, then you can move on to something else on the vision board that you would love to achieve.
For next year, I have decided to categorize my life into 3 sections. The first one would be work, career, so everything related to my job, which is to illustrate mostly children's books. And I will do a personal one where everything relating to my friends, my family, my partner, taking care of myself, doing sport, all of my goals will go underneath that category. And the last one I decided to focus on was finance. It's the one I really want to delve into this year and find simple ways to budget, just in general be more responsible with how I spend my money. Something I discovered recently has been digital finance planners. I found this one, it's really cheap. It's like €1 when I bought it from Etsy. It's a digital download planner. You use it on your iPad, but I'm pretty sure you can use it on a computer or any device you'd like. It has so many pages of different kinds of financial challenges, of budget planners, anything finance related you could ever think of. This planner has it, so I really recommend it if you want to also start learning more about saving and budgeting. Lastly, to end this video, I really like to use Notion for an overview of the entire year. So here is a template I made. I use this one every year to assemble all my goals into one place. in a very easy to view and to track way. I have put the link to this template below. If you like it and you'd like to use it yourself, you can go to the website and duplicate it and put it straight on your Notion boards.
I really hope this was helpful for you and it inspired you for your own goals and different apps you could use, different ways to plan your new year, and you're feeling more motivated and excited for what's to come in the next year. I'm wishing you a lovely New Year's Eve. I hope 2025 is much kinder and easier than this one was. I will see you in 2025. Thank you so much again for watching me, not just now, but all my previous videos this year. Looking forward to connecting with you more. Share down in the comments what you'll be up to, what are your goals and motivations and things to look forward to 2025. Have a lovely evening and I'll see you soon. Bye.